Hey y'all, today is mail day for me. I get a lot of mail from y'all and I sit down and I answer every one of them. Uh, Sometimes it may take me a little while to get to it, but I get to it. And I do this probably once a week. I do it all on, one day. But the latest thing I got that I was so appreciative of is Edwin Bailey, a Savannah boy, went to school here at Groves. Didn't he go to Groves, Eddie?
High School, yes.
Yes. I hadn't had a chance to read up, but he went to Groves High School here in Savannah. And in 1981, he was drafted to the Seattle Seahawks. And there's a chapter. I dropped something. There's a chapter in this book right here that tells us some of Edwin's life story. And I thought it was so sweet that he sent this to me. And he sent autographed pictures to Paula Deen, all M-E. What does that say?
M-E.
Oh, that's his numbers.
Yes.
Yeah, that's his jersey numbers. All State College, his number was 80. Hill American 79 and 80. Drafted on the 5th round in 1914 through 1914. Oh, I don't know I might be reading that wrong. But anyway, Edwin, this is so sweet for you to share your story with me. And I can't wait to sit down and read it. My accomplishments, awards, and trophies. How sweet.
I read through it. It's an interesting
Oh
chapter.
gosh, I can't wait. But this is Edwin right here. And like I said, I hadn't had a chance to read it yet, Edwin, but I'm wondering if you're still here in Savannah. I would love to know that.
I don't think so. I think it came, I want to say he may be out in Washington.
Out in Washington. Game ball presented to Edwin Bailey, Seahawks, 24 Patriots, clinch first playoff berth. December the 18th, 1983, Seattle Kingdom.
Isn't that great?
I love to see hometown boys and hometown girls make it. So we're proud of you, Edwin. And Eddie has already jumped in here and read all about you, but now it's my turn. I'm going to read all about you. But I get some of the sweetest mail like this. Hello, my name is so-and-so. I'm a big fan of yours and would love to have an autographed photo. If you would please send me one as soon as you have a moment, I would be forever grateful. So I will be signing this and sending this to Chris. And like I said, I do this about once a week, so I don't have too much mail.
You also get some great recipes out of
my
your
gosh.
mail too.
Yes, they send me recipes because y'all know how much I love oh gosh, and some of this mail, makes me cry. Makes me cry.
Look at that blast from the past.
That is a blast from the past. This was one of my first shows of Paula's home cooking. And this was taken in Gordon Elliott's kitchen. I was up there using his kitchen because it was great for balance in the kitchen. And I never had to turn my back to the camera. But someone sent this to me to be signed. And I'm a 24-year-old from Waverly, Tennessee. And I've been an admirer of your work, finding solace and inspiration in the positivity you bring in the face of adversary, enduring bullying for being gay and facing abuse from a prejudiced stepfather. Your influence alongside others provided a lifeline during my darkest moments. I will get that picture signed and get it to you today. God bless. So, like I said, some of it, it's kind of heart-wrenching, because a lot of these people are in pain, and if I can help them in a little small way, that's what I want to do. So if y'all have anything to say or a recipe to share, y'all know how to get it to me. And Edwin, I'm going to be reading this. Oh, it says I can be stubborn. Honey, you're talking to the queen of stubborn. I'm going to catch up. I'm going to catch up on it all, Edwin. Oh, that was from someone else. That each chapter is about a different person. And what I just read, that was not part of Edwin's. Y'all have a blessed day. Love and best wishes to all of you.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.